First, please make sure to put the appropriate amount of silicone around the threading at the end of the flashlight to prevent leakage. Secondly, the microsnoot has 3 levels of brightness. It will get brighter after every rotation. The first level brightest, the second inferior, the third flash. Generally, you should use the highest brightness level for shooting. If you can't recognize the level of brightness, just turn on the flash level. Then the next level will be at the brightest level. Microsnoot has 4 calibers for shooting the micro submarine creatures of different size. It doesn't include batteries. Microsnoot uses a 18650 battery. We suggest you purchase 4 batteries and 4 battery chargers. Additionally, we'd like to recommend Panasonic's 18650 batteries, 3400 milliamps flat-headed or cuspidal. Make sure the 4 holes of microsnoot are turned upright when you jump into water. Twist and shake out the bubbles so as not to affect the light for shooting. In order to get the brightest effect, please twist microsnoot to the longest position so the light's coverage into the center. So the light's beam is the brightest. We always use the brightest level. Remember to soak it in fresh water each time after diving. We suggest you don't use the snake arm when you are using microsnoot for the first time. You can hold the camera with your right hand and microsnoot with your left hand for shooting. You can also ask DM for help or just put the snake arm on the camera housing. For brightness and shooting a black background, the distance of microsnoot to the target should be less than 10 centimeters. This is very important. In order to get a better effect from a black background, choose the applicable light beam in accordance with the relative size of micro submarine creatures and let the beam of light exactly cover the target. If you find it difficult to rotate the caliber of microsnoot, you can put some chalk into the hole on the side of the flashlight and twist it a few times. In order to shoot black backgrounds, we suggest you should shoot under 10 to 13 meters from your desired target, because sunlight is stronger than any other light. And if you have to shoot the micro submarine creatures from under 5 to 10 meters, you can block the sun with some object, such as a rock, fins, another diver, or diver's guide's body. Morning, evening, cloudy is a good time for shooting black backgrounds. It is also very important. The complementary YS clip is a standard attachment which is suitable for all kinds of snake arms for 12 millimeters. Let's take a look at the YS clamp installation process. This is a right angle. When you twist, make sure you twist it powerfully. It's normal for the snake arm to move in this manner. According to the actual condition of your camera, choose the suitable snake arm or spherical link. It's easy to shoot the black background when the shooting target is between 5 to 10 centimeters from the light. So it's very important to choose the right length of snake arm. In addition, the flashlight weighs 600 grams, so you also need to consider increasing buoyancy. For the first time using microsnoot, we suggest you use it with your left hand and hold the camera with your right hand. Microsnoot has 4 color lenses. How to use them? Let's take a look. The color light can be magnified or reduced. The color light can be projected out from the snoot. Microsnoot can project 2 beams at the same time. It can shoot 2 microorganisms in a black background photo at the same time, such as shooting 2 sheep nudibranch when they are very close to each other. You can try to shoot dream color circles when you have skillfully taken black background photographs. You need to install the microsnoot on the camera or ask for help from others. There are 4 glass tubes for dream color circles. On first boot up, you must shoot a black background. After that, use your 2 left fingers to clasp the glass tube, and then slowly move the glass tube to the front of the lens. Shake it slowly until you can see the dream color circles. The point of shooting dream color circles: shoot the black background at first, choose the suitable glass tube and light beam of microsnoot for the different target. We'd like to remind you to keep a careful eye on the color filters and glass tubes. Do not lose them in the sea, so we suggest you prepare a plastic box with a hole and put it in the pocket of BCD. In order to shoot black background photos underwater, we'd like to offer 4 suggestions: support, abandon, slowly, close to. The first suggestion: support. When you are shooting photos underwater, make sure the camera is supported by something, such as sand, rocks, or coral reefs. The second suggestion: abandon. Abandon the shooting target if you can't find anything to support your camera. Go and look for another submarine organism after a few photo shots. The third suggestion: slowly press the shutter as slowly as pulling the trigger of a pistol. Slowly, unconsciously press the shutter. The fourth suggestion: close to. If you can't shoot black background photos, it probably means your camera is too far away from the shooting target. You need to get closer to the shooting target. I hope these 4 suggestions will be useful in your shooting, and I wish you will get wonderful underwater photos every time. Thank you.